Umphakathi wasethembisa wey'ngane zakwethu aweneme ngesikole esikhona laphana esifundisa abantwana ngokungekho emthethweni. Ngibingelele kuphi nakuphi la kufinyela khona le channel yethu eyunqa phambili uMkhanyakude TV. Bafowethu ubonakala azoba senkingeni laphana uthisha omkhulu ofundisa iy'ngane laphana esikoleni amaklasi awu-6 eklasini elilodwa laphana wey'ngane zakwethu. Umphakathi wasethembisa utshele abezindaba ze-The Voice of Thembisa ukuthi lesikole asiphephile esifunda abantwana, asinawo ngisho amaklasi ukuthi zifunde iy'ngane futhi ney'ndawo zokuzikhulula azikho-ke laphana wey'ngane zakwethu. Uthisha omkhulu walesikole uchazile naye ukuthi ama-qualification yokuthi angafundisa laphana naye akanawo-ke laphana wey'ngane zakwethu, kodwa iy'ngane ziyasikhokha i-school fees-ke laphana wey'ngane zakwethu. Uchazile-ke laphana ukuthi lokhu akwenzayo naye uyabona ukuthi uphambana nomthetho, kodwa-ke usiza iy'ngane-ke laphana wey'ngane zakwethu. Mina ngiyafisa ukuzuva lwakho ukuthi wena ngabe kuthini okwakuphawula thina ngale kokhuluma kusomdedela uthishanhloko laphana wey'ngane zakwethu echaza laphana ngesikole sakhe.
My name is Zamandula Richard-Numalo, but I was born in KZN. Yes, so
you are the principal here?
Yes, I'm the principal of the school.
What is the name of the school?
The name of the school is New Building Foundation Christian School.
Okay, how many grades do you have?
I have got 6th grade.
Okay.
Yes.
Inside one roof?
Yes, inside one roof.
Okay, why is that?
The situation of the economic of the country is not right, especially economic of myself. So the first thing that I will do, but I see the situation of this one. One day, just I'm facing with the children, they were raped. So in the church, always my preacher, they teaching me which we are working to helping for our government. So I started to teaching at KZN from little bit because I never finished my graduation, but I did the graduation. I did for my graduation. I did for intermediate and senior, but I'm not finishing that. But I was teaching that was when I died before. So when I moved from Gauteng, I decided to start this. Decided to start this school. But first things. At the church, my preacher always they encourage me. It's always you are working together with the government. We are not staying down always that we are waiting for government just for helping you. But when we have got the power just for helping our government, just I decided to open this school. I don't know the situation is hard because I don't have enough money.
Ngiyabona ama grades usazosithatha usikhomba ukuthi la ugrade bani kanjalo kanjalo. Uzizwa unjani manje? Ngiyabona you are sweating. Is it because of the interview or kuyashisa ngoba mina ngiyasho?
Both of it, but especially I'm scared for the interviewer and the lot of eyes of the people. I'm the first time sweating of people that I'm facing in my life.
Okay.
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I've got 21 kids.
Okay. Abazali, they pay the school fees?
Yes, they pay the school fees. The school fees is $450 for Asian children.
450 per month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unayi EMIS number?
No, I don't have EMIS number, but I started for the NPO because I think it is hard to start the EMIS number because they need a lot of money. So I'm still for starting.
Okay, so now isikole kahle kahle asikho registered. Because if you don't have EMIS number, it means you are not registered with the Department of Education.
That's true.
One will ask, how then do you operate without an EMIS number and also the registration?
But I know that I'm a criminal, but that's why I say with the important thing just I'm facing with this situation, the children they were vulnerable inside of the location. That one day just I facing with the children they were raping, so that I decided to connect them just to working together. And my special course just I'm doing for the studies for other children at school, especially Peter Songwane and Pumlong and Loroko.
why mhlawumbe ungazamanga uqala weekend after school mhlawumbe into ezinjalo just to help nje lapho nalapho kubantwana abavele ba register?
But the big problem
Usho kanjalo uthisha omkhulu weingane ke laphana weingane zakwethu ejuluka ke echaza lolu daba ngale kokhuluma kakhulu nje angudedelele nelunga lomphakathi lichaza ngokungaphatheki kahle ngalesikole esikhona laphana esingekho emthethweni.
Even le ndawo le ayikho registered, izinto zakhona zonke ihlangahlangene, and then indawo nje labantwana abafundela kuyo ayikho safety at all. So azange saba mnandi thina sinama safety community, and then try ukuthi sihlangane ne-VOT as ikhona today ukuthi izobona nje ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-environment yase-South Africa phakathi kwama-buildings esihleli kuwo esicabanga ukuthi ayenza something enye business, but only found out nabantwana bethu balapho and abekho safety at all.